Hyenas feast on flesh so contaminated, it would sicken, if not kill a person. Putrid and maggot-infested, they turn their noses up at nothing. But hyenas have a super-strong digestive system with notoriously high levels of acidity. It destroys dangerous bacteria and can tolerate toxins without them getting sick. Their gut is also efficient, extracting the utmost nourishment from a carcass. Nothing goes to waste. Their white poop shows that all that is left is the calcium from digested teeth and bones. No other mammal has this superpower. Like hyenas, wild dogs are pack animals, where teamwork is paramount and communication is key. Wild dogs have one of the most complex vocabularies of any canine. They chatter constantly within their pack. It's a way of reinforcing bonds and establishing hierarchy. But despite being led by a dominant pair, their power is not absolute. When it comes to deciding when to hunt, the pack is a true democracy and put it to a vote. And they vote in a very peculiar way, with their nose.